English for beginners. Lesson 7. The verb to be. The verb to be can be used as a main verb or as an auxiliary. Part 1. الجزء الأول. The verb to be as main verb in the simple present. Here we have three forms: am, is, and are. Let's take the first situation, which is A, the affirmative form or the affirmative sentence. The verb to be in the affirmative form in the simple present. Here we need to start with the pronoun, then the verb to be in simple present, and the rest of the sentence. Examples: the pronoun I, the simple present of the verb to be with the pronoun I is am. So example of that: I am the teacher of math. أنا أستاذ الرياضيات. With you, it's are. Example: you are the teacher of math. With he, the verb is. He is the teacher of math. She is the teacher of math. It is the summer season. We, in the plural form, are. We are the teachers of math. With they are the teachers of math. With you, the plural form, you are the teachers of math. So the rule say in the affirmative form, we need to start with the subject plus the verb to be in the simple present plus the objects. The second situation is the negative form or the negative sentence. Here, of course, we start with the pronoun and then the verb to be plus not, which is the negative one, and plus the rest of the sentence. Example here, we have with I am not the teacher of math. I, the personal pronoun, the verb to be am in simple present with the personal pronoun I, and then not, the negative form, and then the rest of the sentence. You are not the teacher of math. He is not the teacher of math. She is not the teacher of math. It's not the summer season. In the plural form, we are not the teachers of math. They are not the teachers of math. You are not the teachers of math. So the rule here, we have the subject plus the verb to be in the simple present plus not, the negative form plus the objects or the rest of the sentence. C, which is the third situation. Here as a question where we want to ask a question using the verb to be in the simple present. So we need to start with the verb in simple present or the form of the verb in simple present, then the pronoun, and then the rest of the sentence. Example with the pronoun I. Am I the teacher of math? Are you the teacher of math? Is he the teacher of math? With is she the teacher of math? Is it the summer season? Are we the teachers of math? Are they the teachers of math? Are you the teachers of math? So the rule here is starting with the verb to be in the simple present, plus the subject, plus the object or the rest of the sentence, plus the question mark. Part 2, the verb to be as a main verb in the simple past. Here we have two forms, was and were, and of course it's according to the personal pronouns. Let's take the first situation in the affirmative sentence or in the affirmative form. Of course, we need to start with the pronoun and then the verb to be in the simple past, and then the rest of the sentence. Example with I, the verb to be in the past. With I, it was. Example, I was here. With you, it's were. Example, you were here. With he was here. With she, Was, she was here. With it, it's also was, it was here. In the plural form, with we, it's were, we were here. With they, example, they were here. With you, you were here. So here the rule is similar to the first situation, which is the subject plus the verb to be in the simple past plus the object or the rest of the sentence. The second situation is in the negative form. So here the verb to be in the past in the negative form. Of course, we need to start with the pronoun plus the verb in the simple past plus not the negative form and plus the rest of the sentence. Example, I was not here. With you, you were not here. With he was not here. With she was not here. It was not here. In the plural form, we were not here. They were not here. You were not here. So the rule here, we start with the subject plus the verb to be in the simple past plus not plus the object or the rest of the sentence. C, which is the third situation as a question. I want to ask a question using the verb to be in the simple past. So we need to start with the verb, the form of the verb to be in the simple past, then the pronoun, and then the rest of the sentence. Example, I. As we know, the form of the verb to be in the past with the pronoun I, it was. So an example, was I here? With you, were you here? With he, was he here? And she, was she here? It, was it here? In the plural form, were we here? With they were here. Sorry, were they here? With you, the last one, were you here? So here the rule is the same. It was different here is only the tense. First one it was in the present, and this one is in the past. So it's the verb to be in the simple past plus the subject plus the object plus the question mark, or plus the rest of the sentence and question mark. Part 3, the verb to be as main verb in the simple future, or in the simple future. It's will plus be. We need to put will plus the verb to be in the infinitive. The first situation is the affirmative form. Pronouns, then the form of the verb in the future, and then the example. The first one, I or you. Will be, will plus be. So, example, I will be here. With the third personal pronoun, he will be here or she will be here, as it can be, it will be here. With the plural form, we, they, you. We will be here, or they will be here, or you will be here. So it's the same rule, but only the different thing here that we need to start with will plus be to show the future tense. In the negative form, I, the pronouns, I and you, plus will plus not, plus be. Example, I will not be here. So here we need to add or to put the negative form not between will and be to form the negative sentence or the negative form. The second example with the third personal pronoun, he will not be here or she will not be here. With the third one, they will not be here, or you will not be here, or we will not be here. The last situation is as question, when we want to ask a question using the future with the verb to be. Here, of course, as I said, we need to start with the verb, then the pronoun, and then the rest of the sentence. Here, we will plus the pronoun plus the verb to be, and then the rest of the sentence. So we need to put the personal pronoun between will and be. Example, will I be here? The future, sorry, yes, the future, he, she, and it. Will she be here? Or will he be here? The last one, with they, or you. Will they be here? Or will you be here? Or will we be here? This is the questions in the future with the verb to be.